Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best hybrid smartwatch with analog hands on the market, the Garmin Instinct Crossover AMOLED. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a smartwatch aficionado looking for durability with style, this one's built to impress. Let's take a 5-minute deep dive into everything it offers. At first glance, the Garmin Instinct Crossover AMOLED stands out. With its rugged design, but it's the fusion of classic analog aesthetics and advanced smart features that really sets it apart. This isn't just a smartwatch, it's a hybrid marvel that gives you the best of both worlds. You're getting mechanical hands powered by Garmin's RevoDrive technology for precision timekeeping, plus a sharp, detail-rich 1.2-inch AMOLED display beneath them. It's both striking and functional, allowing you to seamlessly interact with notifications, fitness data, and navigation tools, all while maintaining the timeless feel of an analog watch. Now let's talk build quality. This watch is built to endure. It meets the MIL STD 810 standard for thermal, shock, and water resistance, meaning it's ready for any kind of tough outdoor environment. The lens is made of scratch-resistant sapphire, and it carries a 10 ATM water rating, so whether you're diving, climbing, or trekking, the Instinct Crossover AMOLED can take it all. The charcoal color scheme and silicone band add to its stealthy yet premium look. One of the standout features is the dimmable flashlight. It's not something you see often in smartwatches, but it proves super handy, whether you're navigating a trail in low light or just need a quick beam indoors. And speaking of visibility, the analog hands are coated with superluminova, making them readable even in the darkest environments. The AMOLED screen underneath ensures all your digital data is clear and vivid, anytime, anywhere. Let's get into the tech side. This watch runs on Garmin OS and includes 4 GB of memory, which is more than enough for activity tracking, GPS routes, and syncing health data. Speaking of GPS, this watch uses multi-band GPS with SAT-iQ technology, giving you pinpoint accuracy wherever you are. You also get built-in ABC sensors, that's altimeter, barometer, and compass. So you're not just connected, you're oriented and prepared for the elements. The health and fitness features are top-notch. You get 24/7 monitoring, including wrist-based heart rate, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and more. While Garmin clarifies that these are estimations, they're close enough to help you understand your body's performance and recovery patterns. And thanks to the hybrid setup, you don't lose battery efficiency to a fully digital display. It balances function and longevity very well. Connectivity is simple with Bluetooth integration, ensuring smooth syncing with your phone and the Garmin Connect app. From tracking runs to receiving notifications, everything flows through effortlessly. To wrap it up, the Garmin Instinct Crossover AMOLED is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a smartwatch that works hard, looks refined, and doesn't sacrifice analog charm. At $649.99, it's not your entry-level smartwatch, but considering the premium build, advanced features, and hybrid innovation, it justifies every dollar. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a timepiece that merges rugged adventure with high-tech smarts, and keeps the classic analog soul alive, the Garmin Instinct Crossover AMOLED might just be your perfect match. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech deep dives. See you in the next one.